So these are my working piece. Normally I cut on a fold of 4, but I was out of fabric, so I just cut them individually and I laid them on each other. So when I was done with that, I secured both folds with a pin or with some office pins. Then I went ahead to measure my length. I wanted to know where my sleeve length stopped. Then all I did was I just drew this line. Now this is how you shape the sleeve of a basic sleeve, sort of an S or a slanted S. Very simple, very easy. When I was done with that, I measured the length of the curve to know if it's up to the length, my required length that will fit into my armhole. I went over it twice to be sure. So when you are done shaping, you measure to see if it gets to the required length of your armhole. So from there I marked my upper arm, circumference of my upper arm, and I also marked the circumference of the hem of where I want my sleeve to stop. When I was done with that, I connected it with a line. I'm going to cut through those axes. This is just a closer look of what it looks like. So when I was done, all I simply did here was cut through the lines I've made. As you can see, cutting a basic sleeve is very simple because it doesn't require a lot of skills. You just need to get the curve of your sleeve right. So when I was done with that, I notched, and normally why I notch my sleeve is so that place I notch will help me locate where the center of the sleeve is, and this will help me when I'm attaching the sleeve to the dress or the blouse. So this is what the sleeve looks like when opened up. When I was done with that, I took it over to my sewing machine and attached it to my blouse. And here's the final look.